So, like I was saying, trading need patience and discipline. You have waited for a long time and you see the way the market move. So all you have to do is wait patiently, then enter your trade. Wait patiently and enter your trade. Do not enter trade if you are not sure about it. Do not enter trade if the market doesn't uh, give you what you want. Okay, I think the second time Bitcoin also visit the zone, and this is a reversal candlestick compared to previous candlestick, the same candlestick pattern. Okay, everyone. So let's start now. Something else starting. So compared to previous candlestick pattern, the same patterns form here. That is why we see sellers entry. Now, the market now finally crossed this entry, this level that we are hoping to execute our trade. The sellers crossed the level. What are we going to do in this kind of situation? Should we wait? Yes, you have to wait. And what you do if you want to wait? What you do if you want to wait? You create alerts. Okay. Let's assume we have won this trade. Okay. Let me say on Euro USD, we won this trade. That is one. Then we double the amount we won this trade two. Market again visit the level we won the trade three. You can see that we have already won three trade now, waiting for the fourth trade. Now all you have to do is go to the next one and analyze it. Analyze the way the market presents itself to you. If you don't feel like analyzing anything, then step away. Like I don't feel like analyzing anything here because these are the levels, right? These are the levels. And the way the market is going down is like it's moving the same pattern like this. So I don't have anything to analyze here. Let me check repo. Okay. Check on the left side. You see any significant support level? Okay. Here we have market reverse. Market reverse. Market reverse. Here. And where again? Here, here. So we have multiple reversal at that area I just pointed out. All you have to do is draw a zone from here actually, from here to here. Okay, so this is another zone where I will be expecting the price to reverse once it reach the zone. Already reversed here. Okay, already reversed here. This is the zone I'm talking about. The zone, but this type of zone is too wide. It's too wide. Okay, so but still make use of it anyway. Let me adjust it. Look at it very well. Do you see any bias candle here? No bias candle. The bias candle that only visit the zone were rejected and then the market reverse. That is the only bias candle we can see. But here we don't see any bias candle. The sellers push the price down. That indicates the sellers are still dominating the area. So all you have to do is wait for the price to come close to the area, then you open fire. So wait for the price to come to the level and open your trade. I don't see anything to analyze here. With the way the market is not is moving, is not right. Um, then can you analyze this type of market, or can you even decide to trade in this type of market? No, it's wrong. We can see so many dojis candlestick. It's not safe to trade because even though your analysis is good, your entry might be wrong. You might end up placing trade at the late, placing a wrong trade. So better skip that kind of market. Let's check Euro JPY. Let's see. Euro JPY, do you have anything to analyze here? Because this is the current price movement. Okay. And so what I'm seeing here, I can see a reversal. Also, the reversal happened today here and here again nicely. So I have to draw my entry, my zone from here to here. Here, here. See it reverse. So let's check the future, or let's check the right side and let's see what is going on. Well, we can only see rejection, but that is not what we want. All we want is the price to come into the level, close in the level, and reverse. That is what we want, not rejection. We are not trading rejection, remember? So I have to create a lot. So I have to create a lot, wait for the price to come. Also, where the price also is heading towards, you still have another level. Reverse, reverse, reverse. Here as well. Okay. So what I'm going to do is draw another line. Here. Okay, because this is the last red candle before buyers enter. Crossover here again, and here. This time the market closes. So if you look at it very well, do you see any buyers candle inside this zone after this movement? No. So let's see what Repo said to us. Repo said it has touched the zone and has got rejection. Should we now enter the trade? No. All you have to do is discipline yourself, wait for the price to come in the level or in the area, then place your trade. Do not place your trade at this moment. Okay. So let's say market has reached the level and you place put. Do you see what happened again? Buyers still disobey. They still try to enter the market. And we are not sure it's going to win the battle. All we have to do is wait and let's see how this candle will close. Then open your trade. All we are waiting for is the candle to close inside the zone, not outside the box. And then we must see a rejection. Not above, not below, but inside. If it is above, stop, don't trade. Below, don't trade. But inside, trade. So I think seller should enter from here. What's going on? Okay, so let's see what the sellers are doing or what the buyers are doing. Okay, finally sellers entered. But should we not enter the trade again? No, do not enter the trade again. Okay, do not enter the trade again. Okay, the market has reversed. I think I didn't draw the level perfectly, or maybe um, I made a mistake. I think it should be this one and this. Okay, this is the perfect zone. Okay, this is the perfect zone. We miss. So we can see the sellers finally enter the market. Should we not open a trade on the next candle? No. You have entered the trade. We have entered the trade. Now we have four trades that we have taken, and this four trade is win. You can see if you mitigate $20 up to eight times, you have 1,000. You have about even more than 1,000. If even I think it should be more than 1,000, except like the trade I took from 20,000 from $20 to $1,000. You can see that it's more than 1,000. Though there are some trade that I didn't double the amount. I just used the normal fixed amount, the fixed balance. Okay. But if I should use double continuously, I think the fixed balance I used was about three trades. If I should continue, it should be more than up to $2,000 or almost $3,000. You can see. So let's say now with even with $10, you mitigate four trade, you should have a good winning ratio, winning results. Okay, you should have a good winning trade. Market still rejects, and we are still hoping for the price to come to this level. Well, let's hope we are not on the wrong side. So let's go back and check the next one. Okay, two alerts created here. Let's go back. Let's check next currency. Let's assume that we want to take. Let's say now you have taken three trades, and these three trades are winning trade. You see that you will improve in your trading. This is zone trading. This is different from psychological trading. This is zone trading. Psychological trading is what I see that I have. I can see that I have teach you guys how to trade psychologically, but I see that none of you are still getting it. So I have to bring this analysis, the zone trading. I think the zone trading will make you understand the psychological trading as well. So once you know how to draw the zone perfectly, you can easily identify, um, analyze the candlestick without even drawing a zone. And again, it's the level and buyers entered. That is not what we are going. I think there's a news that is happening right now. That is what make the market just okay. And if I should say this is another level, Bitcoin, okay. And I think I should go with sellers because this is a pin bar. We all know this type of candlestick, a pin bar. After buyers approached the level, they were rejected at the edge. They managed to form this type of candle. When they manage to form this type of candle, it shows a sign of weakness. And this type of candle is a reversal candlestick, a pin bar. So that will trigger some sellers entry. And this is a zone that I've drawn. So you can see I've drawn the zone before. And let hope won this trade. You can see that some of the trade I took are late entries, right? But to avoid late entries, all you have to do is that once you analyze the chart, just Once you analyze the chart, just minimize the tab. Just minimize the tab, something like this. So you can clearly see which one is heading towards the level and you prepare for it. Okay? You might still be doing other because once the market is the price level, it will make a sound, right? Okay? It will make a sound. And you might still be doing something else, maybe browsing, or maybe playing a games, and once the price hit the level, you just enter the trade. That's at times that is what I usually do most of the time. I might be watching a movie. I might be watching a movie, and once the price hit the level, the sound will pop out. Then I will just open the chart and enter the trade. I'll make sure that I'm not far away from the level or from the trade so that I won't analyze wrong. I won't enter the trade lately. So the type of candlestick, now we see the market has reversed from this level. Let's just hope that the market also should come to this zone and reverse, right? Hope is everything, and patience and discipline. Okay, now I think the market is now trying to give us what we want. You can see we waited for so many times here and here and here. And I think, or let's see if the market will not give us what we want. We wait for some minutes that the candle should close inside the zone to enter the trade, not above, not below. So we have waited and we are tired. Now let's see what this candle is telling us to do. Maybe no, no entry, don't open a trade. Let's see what Bitcoin says. Bitcoin has already crossed the level again and is high in the next level. And this next level, is it correct? Okay, right, is correct. So let's create a lot for that. Okay, now let's just keep our hope, or let us believe that this candle should close inside the zone or rubbish. See, still reject again. Let's high, let's hope and see what will happen. Even though the candle is weak, not strong, and above or below, do not open a trade. Very simple rules. Come on. Shit. Can see. Don't open the trade. This is trick. We don't even know, maybe buyers will enter or sellers because the candle gap inside the zone. We are not sure if buyers or sellers will enter this trade. But if your gut says buyers or sellers will enter, let's do that. My mind is telling me that buyers should enter because we have waited for the price to come to this level and we didn't see that for so many for the past, let's say, 10 minutes ago. We finally saw this candle now reach the second line but below. Okay, and we know that market should come to the zone then before buyers enter, right? So but it's still below, so that means I should go with buyers. Actually, I should go with buyers definitely. So that is why I'm hoping. Okay, see that we don't know where buyers entered or not. So you see that we won the trade. I was hoping the buyers should enter, but the market did not give me what I want. So all you have to do is keep this type of trade. Wait, okay? Just discipline yourself and wait. Don't rush. Don't rush, okay? Don't rush. Don't rush. The most important thing, don't rush. Don't rush. If you miss an opportunity, there are so many opportunities in the market. In binary option, although a lot what we say that, or we usually say that opportunity come but once, right? But in binary option and even a 1 minute chart, opportunity comes all the time. You miss this one, you can see another opportunity immediately. So I think the market is now at the next one. Um, let's see. Should we open fire or should we save our bullets? Well, I will open fire because I said the price should come to the level and close inside the zone, like what the rest candle did here. Say same thing happened. The candle closed inside the zone, and I saw some rejections on the next one. The buyers also are trying to go up because of this momentum, and this candle is strong, not a reversal. They are trying to go up. So definitely, I can see the rejection. That rejection indicates some sellers' activities. So that is why I hope the seller should enter here. Yeah, you can see sellers entered. Now you see that the analysis is very simple. All you have to apply is patience and discipline. Okay, even this level I have drawn, the market still respects. Can see, but this type of market is very bad and dangerous. Can see even small candle can just give you a loss in trade. Let's see what is happening to this one. Buyers finally entered. Now they are eyeing the next level. Well, let's hope they find what they are looking for. You can see that market reverse here. Let's hope the market should also. I have created alert again. That once sellers come again, we open another fire. Euro USD is saying bye bye to the level, and we don't know if the market. Let's just hope. Though you can wait for 2 days, 3 days, and the market hasn't reached the level. It's still discipline. Even like if you like, wait for 10 years. Let the market be far away from the level. You are still discipline yourself. Without discipline in trading, you won't make it. Believe me, I've been there before. Without discipline in trading, okay. We can see sellers again come back. All we have to do is wait for the candle to close inside these two lines, not below, not above. Come on, don't be like Euro JPY that goes below. We have been waiting, 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 and see. Okay. Uh, what's happening? Where is the next opening price? Come on, I think that was the network that's delaying us. That was an illusion. Come on. Once the network is bad and see, oh, the market is there, purchase time is shit. We made this trade because of the, I don't know, maybe the network or something like that. Come on. Now we don't know where the candle is. I see there's a gap. Is the gap normal? Let's check digital AUD USD. Okay, there's a gap down. There's a gap down. I think that was why we are not expecting buyers entry. We expect the candle not to gap, not to close below, not to close above, but inside the box. But this one is there's a gap down. So I think we already escaped the loss on this one. Now, as there's a gap down, let's hope and wait and see the price shoot. Just think. Let me just look again and open fire. because already on the left side we can see some, like it's just like head and shoulder pattern, right? Head and shoulder pattern. So let's hope and see the price should come back to this one, or it's going to be maybe like Quasimodo pattern. Quasimodo pattern. I'm just guessing that is not what we are thinking. That's not what we are doing now. I think the market is going back to the level. So we don't want
We can't see the
rejection.
screen.
Okay, you don't see the screen. Shit. I don't know why it's
The
what's funny.
presentation, I think you need to get to the presentation.
Okay, what about now? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. Rejection from the zone, no entry. All we have to do is wait for the price to reach the zone and enter the trade. Okay, the zone is still useful, even though the market did not respect the zone in the past. It's still useful in the future. Oh, we see sellers entered, but we shouldn't lose our faith. Market can just form a green candle again. Okay, let me check another level for where the price is right now. Um, Here I can see the market also is reversing so many times here. Okay, I think this is the proper reversal zone for this should be the proper reversal zone. No, I think this or this one or this one and this one. Oh, we miss. I think buyer should enter here. This candle should be green. This running candle, it should be green. Well, it's not green. I think there was no sign of sellers, buyers actually, or maybe the level is wrong. Let me do it this way. I want to make sure that I didn't make any mistake in drawing the level. Or sellers should enter. If there's no sign of buyers, maybe sellers should enter and continue to the next level. I think the next level is here. Um, this one. Okay, let's say now we have already lost one trade now because of I don't know what is happening here. The level around this area is so much confusing. Market is heading toward this one, so let's wait for that one. But let me confirm. Let me find out the reason why what is happening here. If this is a zone, a perfect zone, then why this one didn't reverse? Ah, good question. If I should adjust it to this point, then why this one didn't reverse? Good question. Okay, let me now say, uh, no, not Nothing yet. Just be with me. I'm trying to find why what is happening here. I want to make sure that I draw the good perfect zone here. Somehow confusing. If I should draw it here, something like this. Okay, this is the perfect zone. Yes, this is the perfect zone. Okay, only rejection occur. So the candle rejects from the zone. Now we can see something that will make us to believe that the zone is still working or rubbish. All we need is green candle to close inside the zone, not red. Oh, come on. Oh, gap down. Gap down, the candle is weak. Still a sign the price should buyer should enter because this is the major. This is the zone. This is the zone, and the market gap down is a sign the buyers want to form a green candle. Okay, let's say now out of I don't know how many trade we must have taken. I think we took some trade earlier some minutes ago before this. Maybe it might up to 7 trade now. Let's say out of 7 trade we have lost 1 trade. Okay, and we took this trade. If we are going to lose this trade, then final you close your charts. Do not open the trade because it seems the market you are now. It seems that I cannot continue further or I cannot continue anymore. Okay, AUD USD, where are you? The buyers close inside the zone and there's still a gap. Why is all this gap in the market? So many gaps, so many gaps. All this gap at times will not make me to place trade with confidence. When I open a trade, I will just be expecting the price to go to my prediction when I saw the gap. But the gap will just discourage me. I'm expecting sellers, but I don't know why the gap here. Just the gap that happened here. But this gap is still inside the zone. I think sellers should enter. Here, perfect. Sellers enter. Now we see that this is what we call discipline in trading. Sellers enter. Perfect. Sellers enter. Should we continue or should we stop? Well, let's say I have maybe I am happy. Let me say this is a life account, right? Then I'm happy with the profits. I will stop. I'm happy that I'm having one loss, right? Out of maybe up to 9 trades and one loss. That is perfect trading. Okay, that is perfect trading. So I think I should stop here for today. Don't worry, we're still going to have a live trade section. I just want the market to be in a good condition so that we favor everyone. Don't worry, guys. I promise you that maybe before this month end, before this year end, we must have a live trade section, and you should be ready for $50, maybe from $50 to 100 or 200. Just be ready for that. So I'm going to stop here. Okay, we can see the market still come back again. Should we now open the trade or should we see what the market is doing? Uh, Inside the box, not above, not below. Above or below, don't trade. If you can see that this is a reversal candlestick. A lot of us we see this type of candlestick and we open fire, but the market still tell us that buyers still exist within even with this candlestick. Okay, buyers still exist. So that is why we see this gap. As this gap occur, not inside the zone, we can expect the buyer's entry again. So now inside the zone, we expect seller's entry. a Marubozu above the zone. Well, like I said, Marubozu above the zone is reversal candlestick. And at times, okay, this is a full Marubozu. I made a mistake. This should be a call, not a put, because this is a full Marubozu, not Marubozu with lower rejection. Marubozu with lower rejection and the upper is having no rejection. If the upper side has no rejection and the lower has a rejection, that will be a sign of reversal. This type of candlestick close above the zone, it should be a reversal. But this is not a reversal because this is kind of strong candle actually. Marubozu above the zone. It's kind of a strong forces of buyers. So I make a mistake by going with sellers here instead of buyers. So this type of Marubozu should not reverse the market if it close above the zone. Marubozu with lower rejection should reverse the market. Let me show you. The body is just like this and has a lower rejection but no upper rejection. Once it's above the zone, it should reverse the market, but not a full Marubozu. Full Marubozu is showing a sign of strength. Okay, just like this. Yes, this is the Marubozu I'm talking about. Marubozu close above the zone with small lower rejection, it can still reverse the market. Okay, it can still reverse the market. But with the Marubozu without upper and lower rejection, that is full Marubozu, it can't reverse the market. So in that case, I'm wrong about the trade. So if assuming I have find out on time, I would have taken or must have stay away from the trade. So the market is still coming back. Okay, the market is still coming back. Let's hope the market should come back and then open your trade. Okay, so right now I'm going to stop right now and I'm going to call it a day. Like I said, if the market is good this month, before this month end, you can see the market is good this time, but I don't know why the market is so bad yesterday that I couldn't take reasonable trade. No gap, yes, no gap. So buyer should enter here. So like I said, if you want to mitigate, don't take up to 10, don't take up to 5. 3 or 2 is enough. 3 or 2 is enough. But if you want to trade fixed accounts, at least 5 trade or 6 or 7 is enough. Don't go for 10. Don't go for 9. 5, 4, or 6 or 7 is good with this method. Okay. So following these rules, you are able to make profits in trading. You'll be able to make profit in trading. In fact, you will see some changes in your trading life once you can trade like this. So, guys, I think I should call it a day. So, um, if if I see that the market is good for us this week, we're still going to take another trade, a live session. I'm still on it, a live session trading. I'm still on it. I don't want us to just put the trade and start losing, start losing. No, I don't want that. I just want a good market so that we can trade on. So, okay. Um, see you guys during the week. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much.